Hello and welcome back to the Expensive Coins History channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most talked about coins in Malaysian numismatics, the 2002 no-mint mark Malaysian Tenson coin. Whether you are a seasoned coin collector, a curious enthusiast, or just someone who stumbled across this unusual coin in your drawer, you are in the right place. In this comprehensive video, we will explore the history of the Tenson coin, understand what makes the 2002 version without a mint mark so unique, discuss its rarity, and most importantly, examine how much this coin is worth today in 2025 on the collector's market. So stay tuned, because this little silver piece might just surprise you with its hidden value. Let us start with the background. The Malaysian Tenson coin has been part of Malaysia's currency system since the nation adopted its decimalized currency in 1967. Over the decades, the coin has undergone several design and material changes. Typically, these coins are minted at the Royal Mint of Malaysia and are marked accordingly. In 1989, Bank Negara Malaysia introduced a new series of coins featuring updated motifs and security features. The Tenson coin, being a commonly circulated denomination, was regularly minted in high volumes. Coins struck during this era typically carried a mint mark indicating their place of origin. However, something unusual happened in 2002. A limited number of Tenson coins were discovered without the customary mint mark beneath the year of issue. At first, this was dismissed as a minor error. But over time, collectors began to realize that these no-mint mark variants were extremely rare and possibly the result of a limited or experimental minting batch. So what exactly makes the 2002 no-mint mark Tenson coin so special? The absence of a mint mark indicates that it was not struck using the regular minting dies. This kind of error is what collectors call a rarity, or a mint error, and in some cases, these anomalies significantly enhance a coin's value. The 2002 no-mint mark coin is not just a random error. Research by Malaysian numismatists suggests that these coins were either trial strikes or a transitional batch between die sets. Either way, very few of them made it into general circulation. What adds further intrigue is that there is no official record from the Royal Mint confirming the release of this variety, which adds to the mystery and drives up collector interest. Let's talk about rarity. Estimates suggest that fewer than a few thousand of these no-mint mark coins are in existence today. Many of them have been lost, worn out, or melted down over the years. The ones that do exist are scattered across private collections, and only a handful come up for sale each year. Because of this scarcity, the demand far outweighs the supply. Coin collectors, both in Malaysia and internationally, are willing to pay a premium for well-preserved examples of this coin. Especially those in uncirculated or mint state condition. Now, for the part everyone wants to know, how much is this coin worth in 2025? As of this year, the market value of the 2002 no-mint mark Malaysian Tenson coin has seen a noticeable increase. Auction results and private sales indicate that a heavily circulated example typically sells for around 150 to 300 Malaysian ringgit. A moderately preserved coin can fetch between 400 and 800 ringgit, and in exceptional cases, where the coin is in near mint or uncirculated condition, the value can go beyond 1,000 ringgit, with some auction records showing final bids as high as 1,500 ringgit or more. It is important to remember that prices fluctuate based on condition, rarity, and market demand. Coins graded and encapsulated by professional grading services like NGC or PCGS often command even higher premiums. So, how can you tell if your 2002 Tenson coin is the rare no-mint mark version? Here is what you should look for. Turn the coin over to the side showing the denomination. Below the year, 2002, there should usually be a small mint mark. On regular issues, this is a small symbol or letter. If that mint mark is completely missing and the coin is not heavily worn in that area, you may have a rare no-mint mark variety, but be careful, sometimes excessive wear can cause the mint mark to fade. That is why it is crucial to examine the coin closely, preferably under magnification, or have it reviewed by a numismatic expert. To wrap up, the 2002 no-mint mark Malaysian Tenson coin is a fascinating piece of modern Malaysian numismatic history. Its rarity, mysterious origin, and growing collector demand make it a coin worth looking out for. If you happen to own one, especially in good condition, you may be holding a valuable item that will only appreciate with time. If you are a collector, always buy from reputable sources, verify the authenticity of the coin, and consider professional grading for high-value specimens. And if you are lucky enough to find one in your pocket change, be sure to store it safely. You never know when the next price surge might happen. The 1991 No Mint Mark Singapore 10 cents coin. Whether you are an experienced numismatist or just starting out, this is a coin that deserves your attention. Make sure to stay with us through the entire video as we unpack the history, the mystery behind the missing mint mark, the rarity of this specific issue, and of course, what it is worth today in 2025. The Singapore 10 cents coin, part of the second series of Singapore coinage, was introduced in 1985. This series featured a more modern design and included coins in denominations of 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, and $1. The 10 cents coin was made of copper nickel and featured a design that has become iconic over time. The obverse of the 10 cents coin carries the Singapore coat of arms with the year of issue and the name of the country in 4 official languages: English, Chinese, Malay, and Tamil. The reverse side features a delicately rendered image of an Ardisia elliptica plant, a native shrub species, with the denomination prominently displayed. Now, while millions of these coins were struck in various years, the 1991 edition without a mint mark is especially interesting, and here's why. Usually, coins from this era were minted with a small mint mark, typically denoting the Singapore Mint or any other mint involved in production. However, in 1991, a small number of 10 cents coins were released without any mint mark at all. This production anomaly has puzzled collectors for years and elevated the coin's status from common circulation currency to a collectible numismatic rarity. It's important to understand that the absence of a mint mark is not the result of wear or post-mint damage. This is a striking error or variant directly from the minting process itself. Such errors are incredibly rare and in many cases, they only occur for a brief window before being corrected. The 1991 No Mint Mark 10 cents coin is one of those exceptions. So how rare is it really? Based on reports from numismatists, collectors, and coin grading services across Asia and internationally, the number of authentic 1991 No Mint Mark 10 cents coins in verified collections is extremely low. Although the exact mintage figures are unknown, it is widely believed that fewer than a few hundred examples may exist in high grades. What makes this even more compelling is that most coins from this period were heavily circulated. That means uncirculated or mint state examples of the 1991 No Mint Mark coin are exceedingly rare. Some collectors have reported going through hundreds or even thousands of 10-cent coins from that era without ever finding one. Let's now talk about what this coin is worth in the current market. As of 2025, the market value of the 1991 No Mint Mark Singapore 10 cents coin has risen significantly due to both its rarity and growing interest in Southeast Asian numismatics. In lower circulated grades, the coin may fetch between 30 to 80 Singapore dollars, depending on condition and clarity of details. However, in higher grades, especially those graded by professional services such as NGC or PCGS, prices can skyrocket. Mint state, MS, coins, particularly MS 65 or higher, have been recorded selling at auctions and private collector sales for amounts ranging from 300 to 800 Singapore dollars. In some rare instances, where the coin is in pristine condition and accompanied by certification, prices have reached beyond 1,000 Singapore dollars. Demand continues to grow, especially among international collectors who specialize in rare mint errors or Asian coins. The coin's mystique, combined with a documented history of minting anomaly, gives it a unique place in the world of collectible currency. So what should you do if you think you have one? First, examine your 1991 10 cents coin carefully. Use a magnifying glass to look near the base of the obverse side where the mint mark typically appears. If there is absolutely no sign of a mint mark and the coin does not show excessive wear in that area, you may be looking at a valuable piece. Next, consider submitting your coin to a professional grading service. Authentication and grading will significantly enhance its marketability and value, especially if you are considering selling or trading it.as. With all rare coins, condition matters immensely. Coins that are well preserved, free of scratches, and retain their original luster are far more valuable than heavily circulated examples. In conclusion, the 1991 no mint mark Singapore 10 cents coin is more than just a small piece of metal. It is a mysterious error, a historical anomaly, and an increasingly valuable asset in the coin collecting world. If you ever come across one, hold on to it, get it graded, and know that you are in possession of a genuine numismatic treasure. We are delving into the mystery and value behind one of the most intriguing modern coins of Eastern Europe, the 1999 Bulgaria 20 Stotinki coin with no mint mark. A piece that may appear ordinary at first glance, but holds a surprising story of rarity, value, and increasing demand in the global coin market. So, whether you're a serious collector or just stumbled upon this coin in a forgotten drawer, stay tuned. You might be holding onto a small fortune. To fully appreciate the 1999 20 Stotinki coin, we must first understand its origins. Following the end of the Cold War and the dissolution of the Eastern Bloc, Bulgaria underwent significant economic and political transformations. The national currency, the Bulgarian lev, was redenominated in 1999 as part of a broader economic stabilization plan. As a result, new coin designs were introduced into circulation, including the 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 50 Stotinki coins. These coins were minted with modernized designs representing Bulgaria's renewed identity and featured the image of a medieval knight on horseback, a symbol of Bulgaria's historic legacy. Most coins from that year bear a mint mark, typically indicating their place of production. However, a very limited number of 1,999 20 Stotinki coins were produced without any mint mark, an anomaly that caught the attention of keen-eyed numismatists around the world. Now let's talk about what makes this coin rare. The standard 1999 20 Stotinki coin is common and holds minimal collector value. But the no mint mark variety is a different story entirely. Coins missing mint marks are often the result of either production error or intentional test strikes. In some cases, blanks are struck before minting equipment is fully calibrated, leading to such errors escaping quality control. The no mint mark 20 Stotinki is believed to be one such instance, making it not just an anomaly, but a scarce collector's item, due to its limited number in circulation and lack of documentation from official mint records. The 1999 no mint mark version is considered significantly rarer than its regular counterpart. Some experts speculate that fewer than a few thousand may exist today, with even fewer in well-preserved condition. This level of scarcity pushes the coin beyond face value, straight into the realm of high-value collectibles. As of 2025, the value of the 1999 no mint mark 20 Stotinki coin continues to rise steadily, fueled by growing international interest in modern-era coins and Eastern European rarities. Let's break down current market prices. Circulated examples in average condition typically fetch between $25 and $50, depending on visible wear and demand at the time of sale. Uncirculated specimens or those graded by professional services like NGC or PCGS can reach $75 to $150 or more, particularly if they grade above MS 63. Exceptional examples with strong provenance or part of rare coin sets have even reached auction prices exceeding $200, especially in European and Asian collector markets. Coin dealers and online platforms like eBay, Delcamp, and regional Bulgarian numismatic forums have all seen a consistent upward trend in the coin's valuation over the past 3 years. And with more collectors focusing on Eastern European coins, that momentum is only expected to continue. Before you rush to list your coin or purchase one, here are a few tips. First, authenticity is key. Given the increasing value of the no mint mark version, counterfeiters have begun altering regular coins by removing mint marks. Be cautious. Examine the coin's surface under magnification. Authentic no mint mark coins should show no signs of tampering or grinding. Second, consider grading your coin. Certification from a reputable grading service not only preserves your coin but also boosts its resale value. Finally, remember that rarity alone doesn't equal value. The condition, historical interest, and market demand all play a role. A worn example with scratches may not yield the same return as a brilliant uncirculated piece. So, is the 1999 no-mint mark Bulgaria 20 Stotinki coin worth a lot of money? In a word, yes, but condition, verification, and market timing matter. It's a prime example of how something as small and overlooked as a 20 Stotinki coin can tell a story of history, error, and economic transition, and command surprising sums in today's collector market. If you happen to own one, especially in mint state, it could be worth several hundred times its original value. That's the magic of numismatics. We turn our spotlight to a remarkable coin from East Asia, the 1974 Japan 50 yen coin, notably known for its lack of a mint mark. If you are a collector, enthusiast, or investor in rare coins, this particular piece is one that deserves your close attention. In this detailed video, we will explore the history of this coin, delve into its rarity and production circumstances, analyze its value in 2025, and explain why this seemingly ordinary 50 yen coin might be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on its condition and demand in the market. So let us begin our journey into the past and uncover the value that lies within the 1974 no-mint mark 50 yen coin from Japan. To truly appreciate the 1974 no-mint mark 50 yen coin, we must first understand the historical context in which it was minted. The 50 yen denomination was first introduced in 1955 by the Japan Mint, transitioning through several designs over the decades. Initially, the coin featured a chrysanthemum design and was made of nickel. By the early 1970s, Japan was experiencing rapid post-war economic growth. The government introduced updates to its circulating coinage in both design and production methods. In 1967, the current design of the 50 yen coin, featuring a stylized chrysanthemum flower and a central hole, was officially adopted. This design is still in use today. However, in 1974, the Showa year 49 under Emperor Hirohito, an anomaly occurred. That year, a limited batch of 50 yen coins was struck without the customary mint mark, creating a subtle yet significant deviation from the standard coinage. Normally, Japanese coins feature a small mint mark to denote their origin, typically located near the edge or reverse side. The absence of such a mark in 1974 distinguishes this particular version of the 50 yen coin and has since captured the interest of numismatists worldwide. So, what makes the no-mint mark 1974 50 yen coin so unique? In Japan, mint marks are not used on every coin issue, and sometimes their absence is standard. However, for the 1974 50 yen piece, the missing mint mark appears to be an unintentional or transitional error, making this coin more of a variety or rarity rather than a regular release. It is believed that only a limited number of these coins were produced before minting standards resumed, making them quite scarce. What complicates this even further is that to the untrained eye, the coin appears perfectly normal. It takes a discerning collector or a professional grader to spot the difference and to appreciate its rarity. This mystery surrounding the 1974 no-mint mark coin adds a layer of intrigue and demand among collectors and coin historians alike. In terms of rarity, the 1974 no-mint mark 50 yen coin is not as widely documented as some Western numismatic varieties, but within the Japanese coin collecting community, it is considered highly desirable. Its scarcity is enhanced by the fact that many of these coins were likely circulated and worn down before anyone realized their significance. Only a handful of examples are known to exist in mint state or uncirculated condition, and these are fiercely pursued at auctions and online marketplaces. The Japanese numismatic market, along with international buyers who specialize in Asian coinage, have elevated this coin into the category of semi-key dates for the 50 yen series, coins that are professionally graded by third-party services, such as NGC or PCGS, and which receive high mint state grades, typically MS 65 or higher, are particularly valuable and can command impressive premiums. Now let us talk about what everyone wants to know: how much is the 1974 no-mint mark 50 yen coin worth? In the current market, as of 2025, market research and auction data indicate that circulated versions of this coin can sell for anywhere between $20 to $60, depending on overall condition. Coins in fine or very fine condition tend to attract hobbyist-level interest, with modest but consistent value. However, for coins in extremely fine to uncirculated condition, especially those with no visible wear and good luster, values can rise sharply. Coins graded MS-63 or higher by a reputable grading service are currently fetching between $150 to $500, with some examples reaching up to $1,000 or more if demand peaks and bidding competition is strong. In rare instances, particularly well-preserved examples with flawless surfaces, strong strikes, and high eye appeal may even surpass the $1,500 mark, particularly if sold through prestigious auction houses or international collectors forums. It is also worth noting that as Japanese coins become increasingly popular in global numismatic circles, the value of coins like the 1974 no-mint mark 50 yen could continue to climb in the years ahead. If you believe you may own a 1974 50 yen coin without a mint mark, here are some essential tips. First, examine the coin under good lighting and use a magnifier to ensure that there is indeed no mint mark present on the coin. Second, check for overall wear and quality. Coins with minimal scratches, sharp details, and good luster are far more desirable. Third, consider getting your coin professionally graded. A coin authenticated and encapsulated by services like PCGS or NGC can gain a significant value increase simply due to buyer trust. Lastly, monitor auctions and numismatic communities to stay updated on pricing trends and rarity disclosures. To summarize, the 1974 no-mint mark Japan 50 yen coin is more than just a piece of metal. It is a symbol of a rare minting deviation, a collector's delight, and a potential investment opportunity. With its intriguing backstory, increasing demand, and impressive 2025 market value, this coin is a must-watch for numismatists around the world. Whether you are a seasoned coin collector or just beginning your journey into the world of Japanese numismatics, the 1974 50 yen coin stands as a testament to the surprises hidden within everyday currency. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into rare and valuable coins from around the globe, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know if you own one of these coins or have ever seen one in the wild. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy collecting. The 2001 no-mint mark Malaysian Tenson coin. This small silver-colored coin may look ordinary to the untrained eye, but to collectors and numismatists, it holds significant historical importance, fascinating mystery, and as of 2025, quite a bit of market value. Let's take a closer look at why this coin has captured the attention of collectors both in Malaysia and around the world. The Malaysian Tenson coin has gone through several design changes since its initial minting. The 2001 edition belongs to what's known as the second series of Malaysian coins. This series features the national flower of Malaysia, the bunga raya, or hibiscus, on the obverse, and a denomination symbol on the reverse. However, the key detail that sets this coin apart lies in what's not visible, the missing mint mark. While most Tenson coins produced in 2001 bear a small, beak mint mark indicating they were struck at Bank Negara Malaysia's minting facility, a very limited number of coins somehow escaped this process and were circulated without any mint mark at all. This no mint mark error turns an otherwise ordinary circulation coin into a numismatic treasure. The 2001 no mint mark Tenson coin was not officially announced as an error release. Its existence was first reported by sharp-eyed collectors and coin enthusiasts who noticed the anomaly while sorting through their pocket change. The initial discovery was met with skepticism, as the missing mint mark could easily be mistaken for wear or damage. But after careful examination and authentication by experts, the numismatic community confirmed that these were genuine error coins, not damaged or counterfeit specimens. Estimates suggest that fewer than 1,000 of these coins may exist today, possibly even fewer. Most were unintentionally released into general circulation, and many have since been lost, spent, or worn beyond recognition. This incredible rarity makes the 2001 no-mint mark Tenson coin one of the rarest Malaysian coins from the 21st century. From 2001 through the early 2010s, the coin remained largely under the radar. But as word spread through online coin forums, numismatic societies, and collectors groups, interest grew significantly. By 2015, confirmed specimens of the no-mint mark Tenson coin were already fetching high prices at auction, sometimes upwards of Rm500 to Rm1000, depending on condition. Collectors view this coin as more than just a minting error. It represents a unique moment in Malaysia's minting history, offering a glimpse into the precision and unpredictability of coin production. Fast forward to 2025. The coin market has become more connected and data-driven, with global platforms like eBay, Lazada, and Carousel showing an increased demand for rare Malaysian currency. As of this year, verified examples of the 2001 no-mint mark Malaysian Tenson coin are selling for between Rm1,800 and Rm3,500, depending on the condition, grading, and provenance. Uncirculated or near-mint examples, especially those graded by reputable agencies such as PCGS or NGC, can command prices on the higher end of that range. Circulated examples, while still valuable, tend to sell for between Rm800 to Rm1500, based on wear and visual clarity. It's worth noting that demand remains strong not only among Malaysian collectors but also among Southeast Asian numismatists and international error coin specialists. This has driven competition and further elevated the coin's reputation in the global market. If you think you may own a 2001 Tenson coin without a mint mark, it's crucial to authenticate it properly. Here are some steps to take. Examine the coin carefully under a magnifying lens. Ensure that the mint mark is truly absent and not simply worn off due to circulation. Compare with known mint mark versions. Understand exactly where the "to-be" should appear. Seek a professional opinion. Submit the coin to a reputable grading service for certification. Join online coin groups and forums. Fellow collectors can often provide guidance and help determine authenticity. For investors and collectors, this year presents both opportunity and caution. If you are a seller, 2025 is an excellent time to capitalize on market momentum. Prices are high, interest is growing, and more collectors are entering the Malaysian numismatic scene. If you are a buyer, ensure that you're buying from a trusted seller, preferably with a certificate of authenticity or professional grading. And if you already own one of these coins, hold on to it, or consider insuring it, because its value may continue to grow over time. The 2001 no-mint mark Malaysian Tenson coin is a perfect example of how a small production anomaly can turn an everyday object into a highly coveted treasure. Its rise in value over the years is not only a testament to its rarity but also a celebration of the passion and dedication within the global coin collecting community. Whether you're an experienced collector, an investor, or just starting out in the world of numismatics, this coin offers a fascinating case study in history, mystery, and market movement. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to like,